Hey guys, how are we? First I'd like to say, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the vlog for everyone else that's sticking around. I'd like to say thanks. There's a few more subscribers these days. I haven't done a bit of a vlog for a while. I mean, every day is a vlog, obviously, but that didn't make much sense. Let's just forget I said that. Clearing my throat. The car is back. I mean, it's always been here. Quick update. From the last video, obviously this car should be well and truly sorted in the next couple of weeks. It is obviously able to be driven now, so I'm going to take it out today because it is Australia. It is a magnificent day out here. Got the sunnies on. I got a few messages the other day, well, over the period of a few weeks, people asking about these. I will chuck a link in the comments because a couple people asked. I'm like, well, I didn't really think about sort of putting it in there, but these are my own brand, would you believe? They are a carbon fiber sunny, full polarized. I'll chuck some links down there. If you're interested, a few different colors, take a look by all means. Yeah, getting back to a normal vlog again. It's been a bit weird. Today I actually wasn't going to do it, to be honest. It's my first day off in a while. That's why the videos haven't been coming thick and fast. Unfortunately, life takes over, and I got to do the day-to-day stuff, and like getting what I want to do done is obviously the next thing on my list, which is obviously for you guys, obviously for the channel, because I really am enjoying it. Enjoying the new comments and subscribers, and it's gaining traction, and it's really working, and I'm enjoying it as long as you guys are enjoying it. Today, I'm gonna head down to Richmond's. I haven't really asked if I could film there or anything like that. Richmond's is like basically, I guess you could call it a prestige or a specialty car dealership, because they deal with a lot of like high-end exotics and older model cars as well. So like, they do everything. This could be a really short video, or it could be an informative one. I just don't know. It's just one of those things. This is a vlog, so you just don't know what's going to happen in the day. So I'm going to take this thing out. It is dusty as, I mean, it's probably not going to show up on camera, but it is well and truly not clean. Okay, it doesn't do it justice showing you this. It's not really helping my case at all, but there is dust. I promise you that. There is dust on it. It has been sitting here for a couple of weeks, and I don't like to leave it sitting. Cars are generally not happy when they sit and sit and sit. They have to be warmed up, they have to be driven around. So I'm going to take the Ferrari out today. Do you really need much of an excuse to drive these cars? Or any car for that matter. You've got a favorite car in your life, you've got your project car or your build car or your daily driver that you love. You don't need an excuse, you know. You make an excuse. You're like, oh, I feel like coffee, I'm going to take the car out, and you end up going 30 kilometers down the road for a coffee, not down to the local. So, yeah. Don't need an excuse, taking it out, it's going to be a good day. Good to see you all. Thanks for the encouragement, thanks for the support, comments, likes. It all matters on YouTube world, sorry to say. Like, I don't like to be the guy to say, hey, subscribe and like, but you know what? If you guys don't subscribe and like and support it, it doesn't go anywhere. And I try and do my best as putting content up there, but you guys are my feedback people, my go-to guys and girls. If you don't tell me what's going on, I don't know what's going on either, so I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing and not know if you like it or not. So let's go, let's make the day, let's go get something done. Haha, I unplugged the charger this time. Every time I get in this car, I leave the charger in, and if you leave the charger in, you can't start it, which is awesome. Is she going to be happy or angry with me today? Wait, she's a bit rough. She's been sitting. Nah, it's alright. We all good.
Yeah. Yeah.
really digging the Hurricanes. It's so hard to talk to the camera because this place is so quiet. And there goes my phone. It's so quiet in here, you just don't want to be shouting, and like, it's hard. Talking to a camera and everyone's just like, it's pretty weird. It's pretty weird, that guy. But I'm a big fan of this Hurricane. It's actually pretty well priced too. It's got like 2 owners, 6,000 Ks, 360. Yeah, that sounds like a lot when you say it out loud, but I'm digging it. Maybe I should just stick to the AMG idea, who knows. The sheer difference in the cars that they got here, like anything from classics to like more of the modern cars, it's just crazy. Like, you have to come down for yourself. When you're in Adelaide, Richmond's, you got to check it out. I will do actually a bit more of an in-depth video on it when we have time. I'll come down, I'll spend a bit more time on it. I'll show you more of the cars because there is just so much here to see. Like, I mean, I like the modern stuff. You got, you know, more of your classics back here as well. Some really, really nice old Porsches. I mean, look at this thing. 54 Cadillac. Nice. Come on. You gotta spend some time looking at these things. That's the main thing. But I thought, you know, had a bit of a free time, come down, check out the cars. That's probably the main thing. Had a bit of spare time, why not do it for the vlog, eh? Bentley? Anyone? I mean, look at this. This is pretty well, you could say, almost $1 million car now. Just sitting here. Countach. It is available for sale if anyone's interested. How things have changed, but still. Oh, Lamborghini just did it so well for so long. Like I said, pretty close to $1 million. 850, anyone? Bargain. We remember this car. This has been in one of my videos. Cool car. I love that place. Just so many cars to see. I didn't show you much. Like I said, I'm gonna elaborate. I'll come back. I'll show you more of the cars. Just because there's a lot in there to see, so I might make it more of a vlog actually going in and showing you a bit more. Whereas today, I just went down, I wanted to check out the actual Hurricane. Yes, I came down to look at the Hurricane. No, I'm not buying the Hurricane, but I do like them, and it gave me an opportunity to have a look at one that was for sale in Adelaide. Wishful thinking, maybe the next car, maybe not. I have spoken about the AMG, obviously, in the last video. I am keen on an AMG. I mean, like, there's a lot of money tied up in this Ferrari, and I could be doing other things, so I think I might step back down again. You guys might not like that because it might not be as cool a car on the channel, but I'm a car guy. I don't really care what it is. As long as I like it and it's a cool car, I'm happy. But yeah, it was cool to check out that car. They got a lot of nice cars in there. If you're in Adelaide, Richmond's, have a look, come down. It's more of an experience here than it is a car dealership. Like, you can really come down and soak in the cars and just have a bit of a look. It's not what it's about. It's not intimidating. They're not like salespeople that just jump down your neck, you know, what do you want, what are you doing here? It's a really good atmosphere. Beautiful place to be. Thanks, David. Thanks for the guys all down here for letting me come in and do a bit of filming. He said we can come back anytime, and yeah, it's an open invitation to everyone. If you're interested, come down and check it out. It's well worth it. So yeah, we'll head off. We're going to go down to home, actually. We're going home. Back through Adelaide, and we're going to head home. I think that's probably close to being the end, but we'll see. Oh, the Ferrari interior changed. Alright guys, we are home. I'm with Di. Everyone knows Di. We're going to get dinner, and I know how much you guys love the food vlogs, so I'm going to end it there. Not a massive day, but I thought, you know what, I had a day to share with you guys, to say thanks and all the rest of it, and just put a vlog up, because that's what YouTube's about, and I like sharing. And there goes my phone again. It never ends. It never ends. Always when you're filming, the phone goes. But that was a short one. I will do Richmond's again, so if you guys like it, please put a like down there. By all means, subscribe if you're enjoying the content, because then I know what you guys are typically liking about the channel and all the rest of it. So if you liked it, and you like this one and you want to know more about Richmond's, or you want me to go there again, hit a like on this one, throw a couple comments down, and we can spend a bit more time there and check out the cars in depth and have a better look. I've got a bit of a smudge going on there too. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go. It's the end of the day. It is dinner time. Di's hungry. I'm hungry. And I'm done. So as always guys, thanks for watching.